See no difference? Why overpay? For sure, My Screen Protector versus popular tempered glass. Easy cleaning. A special layer makes various types of dirt easier to remove from the surface of the screen. The emergence of small water drops on the surface of the glass is the sign of the oleophobic coating activity. Water will flow down easier from such surface and dirt is easier to remove, especially fingerprints and other smudges. Some glass types available on the market have no oleophobic coating at all. Oleophobic coating used in diamond glass will make the removal of cosmetic remnants or other fatty substances very easy. Yet not every coating guarantees the same result.